And we're back. I'm going to open some records, talk about them a little bit. All the way from Lincoln Halloran in Maine. I forget if this was a reissue or like a finally on vinyl situation. It was a small town Philly favorite for a little while. We worked with them. The old record label collective, Magic Death Sounds, I was a part of. Used to do a lot of stuff with this band, this guy, and when I saw that they were putting this on vinyl, I had to grab one. It is Hello Shark with their LP HS. Nice, small band, acoustic-y sounding stuff. This is really cool. Similar artists to me. First things that come to mind, early Modest Mouse, some early 2000s emo in production. This genre isn't really in my typical wheelhouse, so I don't have a lot to compare it to. Now, the record itself, I believe they used, I believe it's a color lottery. So let's see what we've got here. Oh, I'm quite pleased. If I remember correctly, the website had visual examples of just like red, yellow, green. You might get whatever you get, but this is really nice. Oh my gosh. Pleasantly surprised. Lyric sheet in here. Lincoln Halloran, guitar vocals. Alex Dicato, Sean Hood, Brooke Morrison, Chris Dicato. Recorded August 2012 at Grandma's house in New Hampshire. It's good. It's on streaming services. Listen to it on Bandcamp. My favorite track is Two Sunnies, Three Bloodies, Box of Wine. The horizon shut your phone down, down, down. It's nice. Moving on. That fish scared me. Finally got my dummy. Portishead. Dummy. Made in Germany. Dummy. Dummy. Probably a repress. Go Beat, Go Discs Limited, 94. Can't imagine this is new from 94. I don't know. Easy. I also can't imagine you don't know about Portishead. Sour Times, Wandering Star, Glory Box. You know. But if you don't, you must, pop it on. That's what I always say, pop it on. Beth Gibbons. I did a video, I think earlier last year on Beth Gibbons' recent solo album. Very nice. I think the only other Portishead I have is Third, the album from, I want to say approximately 2010. Could be earlier, could be later. But it's not the 90s golden trip hop age release like Dummy, and their self-titled, which came after Dummy? I could be wrong. Probably am. Often are. Now that's how a record should look. Deep grooves, heavy, 180 gram. Yum, yum. I also grabbed two Pretenders records. I love these fucks. Pretenders 2 and Pretenders 1 and 2, the sequel. My favorite Pretender songs are Message of Love. Stop Your Sobbing. We got a little warp action. That is F7, good. Well, I guess that's it. But whatever. Just dipping my toes back in the game. I don't even know where I'm going to post this. Got like 4 or 5 new records coming all at once, though. So, new video soon. This should be interesting. Love yous, later.